So, this is what happens when an LCD dies. Specifically when the inverter dies. So here we have the video controller, power supply, the switchboard, a mag light, and the LCD module. The inverter board is dead, doesn't read any voltage off the HV lines to the CFL bulb when it's plugged in and powered. So that's toast. eBay doesn't have any replacements. So what do? You remove the backlight and replace it. Right now I don't have anything that makes a suitable substitute, so I've got it propped up with a mag light behind it.